Hi guys, now I'm showing write a Java program to a buffer strings. So watch it carefully. Buffer strings are most very powerful in Java programming. So watch it carefully. I have to show a program. So I have to create a program that's a very important and very excellent program. So watch it here. So in that public class string buffer we have the string name class name. So in that class name the first character of the class name should be in capital. Now here the main function is the public static void main string args. So in the C++ we have used the uh, main void main int main. So in that we have used the public static void main string args, and here in that count to underscore and underscore improved of. So that's a very important in this program. So after we have to the result, the program has in we have executed very well. So now watch it. So count to underscore and underscore improved of. Now here we have to close that. So now private final static int max underscore length equal to 30. So now here we have to print the characters. For the maximum character length of the character is 30, and here now watch it. The private static string buffer equal to empty, because I have some small space between the one word to one letter to another letter. So now private static void emit means it next chunks. I think chunks emit means now string space next chunks. So here if buffer dot length of plus next chunk dot length of greater than max underscore length. So this is a very important thing. So if condition is if buffer dot length plus next chunk dot length greater than max underscore length. Now here we have to write the system.out.println, that's a print statement. So in that C++ we have used the printf and cout statements for the printing in a C++. So this is also a object oriented, but in this we have to write system.out.println for the printing any on this here. So now here in this we have to type buffer. So now buffer equal to, again I will empty spaces. Now here buffer plus equal to next chunk. So now have the buffer has skipped to the next chunks. So now private static final int n equal to 100. So the private static final int n, that n means the natural numbers, that means 100. So I want 100 natural numbers in a unique row. So now the private static void count to underscore n underscore improved. So watch here. So this condition is also again right in this time. So now for int count equal to 2, count 7 count 7 alt comma semicolon equal to n, count equal to count plus 2. So this is the for loop. So watch it again. So count equal to 2, count 7 alt and equal to n, count equal to count plus 2. So this is very important. So emit, again I will some spaces plus count. So this is the program. That is a very important program. We have to see that. So now I have to save this program. So in the C++ we don't have to save. The file has been compiled and executed, so that does not work in Java. So you have to compile and execute the program. The file is must saved in your computer or a drive. Now I will save the program string buffer dot java. Now I will save that. Now here save. Now here the file is saved and it here. So here in this folder is empty. There is only one file, that is the string buffer.java. So there is no more other there. So now I think this time I will compile this program, first we have to open the command prompt. So this is the command prompt, and here type, first we have to enter in this location, so in this location, the location is D drive and JJava folder. So now enter, go to the D drive. Now change directory to JJava. So here in that CD means the change directory. Now I have successfully entered into the JJava folder. Now here type javac space string buffer dot java. So that means the javac means the Java compiler compile the string buffer dot java. Now click enter. So here there is, the file has been, there are 3 errors are there. So watch in the here, there is an error that is cannot find symbol for int count equal to 2 count. So I have a little bit mistake, for some keys are pressed here. So now I have to remove this, and so here this is the correct way for this program. Now again I will save. Now in that I have the clear screen. Now I have cleared the screen. Now Java, sorry, I have already put that. Now here I have to compile this. Now compile here. Now there is no errors are there. So watch there, here the .java class file has been created now. So always there is no, in the program there is no errors are there. So now I have to execute this program. Now java space string buffer. Now click enter. So watch the output here, that is natural numbers for in the here. So that is 10 to 82 natural numbers are been here. There is a 2, 4, 8, 1, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24 and so on 82. So here this is the program for a buffer string. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.